Hi, I'm Mai. All I can say is wow. Here is some of the exciting fun you can have. Today we're in Saint Augustine, Florida.
The oldest city in the United States. It has 55 properties and districts listed on the National Register in the county, including 6 National Historic Landmarks.
And they are from the early Spanish colonial period.
Helena Caillou, come on, let's have some fun.
Come on, what are you waiting for? Welcome to Saint Augustine, Florida. Saint Augustine was founded in the 16th century in 1565.
That doesn't sound real old in Europe, but it's the oldest city in the New World, the USA. This is the old gate to the city. The old town is nostalgic and beautiful. This is the Castillo de San Marcos fort in Saint Augustine.
The fort is still in great condition.
The giant Coquina Fort was built after a pirate attack in the city of 1668. The Spanish decided to build this massive fort to protect the city.
This fort was constructed between 1672 and 1695. Once completed, the structure never fell in battle.
Right here with you in shadow. After talking to the rangers, they informed us that the fort has always been taken care of. Of course, the mortar and the joints have been replaced, but the coquina rock has pretty well withstood the test of time.
Saint Augustine, so we were going to bed early for today. We will enjoy the nightlife more tomorrow.
Yeah, we have lots tomorrow to see. We're going to go through a tour of the fort and see an amazing lighthouse tour, and as a special bonus for only this time of year, we'll see the Christmas lights in the city.
This is always a beautiful town, but it's truly the most wonderful time of the year. What a beautiful day! We're gonna have so much fun!
I bet the cars wish that the drawbridge was that fast.
This is called the Bridge of Lions. is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. It was completed in 1927. It is one of the many icons in Saint Augustine.
Oh look, there's a pirate ship. We'll have to come back some weekend and do the treasure hunt. They have Blackbeard and a real sword fight.
Oh, Jerry. We're about to do a walking tour. I'm just waiting for Jerry to stop flying the drone. The historic downtown. This is Flagler College.
As you can see, they're constantly maintaining the nostalgic buildings. Of course, this is a hot spot for the tourist trains.
This is Henry Flagler. He built most of these historic buildings as hotels. Well, back to school. Wow!
Wow, this is not your average schoolhouse. This is the Lightner Museum.
This is the Memorial Presbyterian Church. Nostalgic brick roads back to our camper.
Yes, we'll eat some lunch by the river and head out to the fort.
Oh, I love these historic houses.
Finally, we get to go inside the fort.
This is one of the best preserved forts you've ever seen.
Your head doesn't work well, does it?
Uh-oh. I'm just going to stand back here and act like nothing happened.
I just couldn't resist that illusion.
This original coat of arms was placed on fort in 1756. And now, we cross the historic registered braids of lions to go to the beautiful lighthouse. Be sure to see part 2.
Take a tour of the lighthouse and see it all the way until sunset. Just amazing. Don't forget all the Christmas lights in Saint Augustine tonight.
Yes, and out to eat too.
Yes, and out to eat too.
Come on! Join us there in part 2. You need to subscribe now to see our next adventure. I can't wait to show you. Subscribe now.